In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant Van 9006 error that says this version of Vanguard requires Windows 20H1 or later. Click on the Start button and search for Update. Click on Check for Updates, then check for updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. Now, click on the Start button again and search for About. Click on the About your PC, then select About from the bottom. Check the edition and version of the Windows. If your version is older than 20H1, update your system. Now, press Windows plus R button together, then type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Find Valorant and Riot Vanguard, then uninstall both. Restart your PC. Install Valorant from the official Riot Games website. If none of the above solutions work, visit Riot Games support and submit a ticket for further assistance. So that's how you fix the VAN 9006 error in Valorant. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.